Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by validating essentials and then create the backup surface. Make sure you have contributor or backup operator access. Once confirmed, open the portal or Azure CLI and create a recovery services vault in the VM region. While creating the vault, choose resource group and storage redundancy. This matters for cost and resilience. Next, pick or create a backup policy, set schedule frequency and retention ranges. These choices determine restore points and storage usage, so think through recovery objectives before moving on. Now you register and enable backup for the VM itself. In the Recovery Services Vault, go to Backup, choose Azure Virtual Machine, and select the VM. Next, apply the backup policy you configured. This sets the snapshot cadence and retention windows. Make sure the VM has the Azure VM Backup extension installed. If not, the Vault will prompt installation. Once installed, verify the agent shows healthy and that the VM can reach the Vault endpoint. This ensures scheduled backups can run without interruption. Finish by running an on-demand backup to produce your first restore point and confirm configuration. Monitor the backup job in the Vault's Jobs view. Wait for success and inspect logs for warnings. If the job fails, retry after addressing common blockers, network security group rules, firewall or proxy restrictions, and insufficient permissions are usual culprits. Make sure the Vault and VM are in supported regions and that storage redundancy is available. Once successful, schedule periodic reviews of retention and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.